Welcome back to our new video. Recently, BTS took home all 3 awards at the 2021 American Music Award, including the Artist of the Year award, making them the first Asian artist to do so. With such a great accomplishment, Korean President Moon Jae-in left a message congratulating the boys through Twitter. Congratulate to BTS for winning the Artist of the Year award at the AMAs. Last month, the US global think tank Strategic International Research Institute held an unusual conference under the theme of Korea's soft power. During the conference, world-renowned scholar Joseph, the founder of the concept of soft power, praised Korea for proving the world's most dynamic soft power by combining unprecedented economic success with vibrant democracy. Korean culture dominates the world, and its strength in national character and diplomacy. BTS win at the AMAs confirmed this once again. The reason for introducing this part of the news conference is because something that Joseph once said came to mind. He said, even though there is no country that has been more successful than Korea over the past 60 years, still so many Koreans think that are weak or behind. This affects their optimism and creativity. What do you think? Isn't it worth having confidence and pride now? BTS replied to President Moon Jae-in. Mr. President, thank you for congratulating us on our AMA's win. We also feel a sense of pride regarding the meaningful achievement Korean pop music has made in the global music market. We look forward to our culture and artists capturing the hearts of those all over the world in a greater variety of fields in times to come. Actor and New Kid on the Block member Donnie was definitely anticipating seeing BTS last night. He showed up to the AMA's red carpet dressed in none other than BTS merch. ARMY spotted a Love Yourself World Tour t-shirt underneath his sparkly black blazer. This would not be the first time he rocked BTS merch either. One time his band's Instagram shared a photo of him wearing a different BTS t-shirt. This ARMY finally got to meet BTS at the AMAs. Another NKO TV member, Joy, commented on the group's post revealing what it was like meeting BTS. He confirmed all our theories and even mentioned how he saw them while performing. Thank you so very much guys for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.